TJ. Oh! Oh! Yeah, y'all, as y'all see, somebody gave Deuce the chop. Somebody gave, yo, look, boom. The reverse Terry. Oh! Oh! Alright, yo, so, what are these called?
Nigga chasers.
Nigga chasers. So look, what we gonna do, right? We gonna prop the camera up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We should light them all at the same time. Yeah, we gotta do multiple.
Light them at the same time. In case I don't know what it is, I'm gonna do one as an example, alright? You break the stem off, and it's basically all that happens.
You break the stem off.
And then you just get it out of there. Oh! Hey! Alright, y'all, last one we're gonna do all three at the same time, alright? Alright, are y'all ready?
No.
You on the lighter or not? We'll be right back. Hold on.
What's up, guys? Happy Juneteenth.
Boy, if you don't get so we got three in the floor, we got our people behind us. I hope it don't hurt. Oh! Say!
We did all that for that.
Somebody have a whatchamacallit?
Oh, what? You better not.
Y'all better run! Y'all better run! Oh yeah, this is a real nigga chance. Alright, so we got something else. What's it called?
Get my regular lighter.
Anyway, I'm gonna just light it and throw it. Oh well.
That's it. Too bad about the blue sky.
Alright, we gotta. Anyway. One more! Yo! Yo, not Alright, we just made a bomb.
What do those even do?
We about to find out. If one of them light, then you can just get up out of there. Chat.
I ain't even mad.
Bro, look how long this fucking traffic is though, bro. Like, yo! Yo, he said this shit kinda hard. Let's see if it's really hard if he just bullshit. Bro, with me? Down, 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 down.
It's like this shit still blinging. Turn it to a red phone. Make a nigga run fast. Call him Sonic Hedgehog. We let off some shots. They gon' all be dead.
That shit fucking dirt. Niggas tried to be an hour late. We still got them the first one here. What side we going to? Alright, go ahead. Bitch ass nigga. That nigga don't get no bucks, y'all. Big TJ. Damn, CB got that shit all the way on. Yes. What good, CB? Come on, yo. Fuck though. What good, Joshy? Let's see the shorts on the table, right?
Open and close. Get to the court.
And the extra jersey.
Y'all lost.
Y'all think that's my shit?
Nope.
We got the big Jew in the cut. Talk to him. Oh, I gotta zoom out to see your ass. Fat ass boy. That boy got the camera out. And that boy got the camera out. Oh my God, y'all look. It's Raw King. Raw King. Look good, gang. Yeah, hold on. Pinch it. What we got on? Hold on. Calm graphic. Calm. Hold on. Conio. Oh, you did it. Okay. Yeah, talk to me. Oh, step back. Don't do it to him. Oh, another one. Alright, look. If you see yourself while you talk, alright, look.
Thomas, are you scared, nigga? Navy Federal? Tap in?
You doing what?
Didn't you say Navy Federal? What's in that excerpt?
Hey, chill, bro. That's it, bro. A lot of my videos, though? Do you watch all my videos, though?
You got Instagram?
You don't got any Instagram, any socials? No? You got TikTok? What's your
Shout
TikTok?
your TikTok out. Make sure y'all go follow my boy.
Yeah, make sure y'all go follow it. Here, I'll follow you right now, actually.
Stop the cap.
I don't got a cape. I get more humpy or I'm than a humpy man. She get real humpy, I make her do humpy then. He read a text and it made him feel ugly, man. Aha, dickhead, dummy man. I just be shooting the strap with one hand. I just be holding the bands with my other hand. I brought my main bitch a color man. I brought my other little bitch a little another band. Running these tracks like I am the running man. Throwing my hands, he turned to the stutter man. 1600, these niggas from anywhere. I done went Christian Dior on my underwear.